So we're gonna see how fast we can get ready. Like, you just woke up late, you're late for school, you're late for work, you're late for something, and you gotta get ready as fast as you can. So, that being said, I will tell you exactly how long it takes me to make this makeup look, and I'm just gonna wing it because in those mornings, if you don't know what you're doing, you probably are winging it anyways, and I'm gonna see how fast I can do a face of makeup. So let's go. So I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go. Oh gosh. This is the 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. Then I'm going to take the e.l.f. hydrating serum and put that over the top. And this feels really good. I really, really like this. Ugh. Okay. Then I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? Set my eyelids really quick. So I'm gonna take the Hard Candy Bare It All concealer. And I'm going to smear it over my lids. With my fingers. A little more on this side. Shoot. Then I'm going to take the WetnWild contouring palette. And I'm going to set down. Oh, I forgot how much kick up. This has tons and tons of kick up. It's great though. It's just crap ton of kick up. So I'm setting down my concealer. Then I'm gonna take, we're gonna take the darker shade as a transition and put that in the crease area. I'm going to take and drag some down in the corner to just darken up the corner just a little. We don't have time, we don't want eyeliner, we just want mascara, right? What the crap did I just do with my mascara? Oh, it's right here. Okay. I'm going to take the Voluminous False Fiber Lashes by someone whose name is not on the package right now. Very, very, very volumizing. Lower lash line. I'm going to use the Hard Candy Glamoflage Invisible Camouflage Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, so probably good for high school girls with acne, depending on how it wears with their skin. Being that I don't have time to wet my beauty sponge, this is just a little Real Techniques baby size sponge, and this one sometimes works for stuff like this without being wet. We're going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Don't forget to dab, not swipe, because you can move the product under it because it's very tacky foundation. And if you swipe, you might move it. You can swipe after you've patted it on. It's like really fast stippling motions. There we go. Okay. Now let it move smoothly. Now I'm gonna grab my WetnWild contouring palette again. My same brush. Warm up my cheeks. Warm up my forehead. because it's a big forehead. We're gonna give the illusion it's not so hungry and ginormous. Jawline. La 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 la. I'm hurrying so fast. Take the light end, brighten your under eye. Oh crap, that was not the light end. So much kick up. Okay, we need a lip color that's really fast. We're gonna take the Hard Candy Wet Ever Bold Lip Color. Oh, this probably wasn't the quickest idea. Oh, I forgot to highlight. Then we're going to set it back down with the same spray. And now you can bust out the door looking at least half alive. I personally, if I had time, I'd probably add a little bit of shadow in the outer corner of the top of the eye and inner. So, oh goodness. If you have the time, take like a pencil brush and your bronzer and run it under the outer edge of your eye just to kind of darken up, put some shadow in the corner. Right, this completes the super get fast ready makeup look, and I will continue working on these so they get better and better, and you have a better idea of what you can do in a matter of minutes to get ready. And this, I still primed, I still set, I still got mascara and lips, and I even have a little color on my face. So I think for a speedy get ready, this was pretty good. If you have a little more time, it always helps. If you can make yourself get up a little earlier, that helps. But on the days where you somehow slept in, you're sick, it's a rough day, these moments come in handy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see me coming back. Hit the bell to make sure you get notified as to when I upload. Check out my Instagram page, KCJ_hummingbird, for my store is connected to that. And I'm working on a whole bunch of other pages and channels. So be sure to always be watching so you can see all my new content. Alright, I love you all. I hope this helped you. Have a good day. Make it to class. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like